Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about YouTube topic tips and tricks. Recently, YouTube introduced a new features that allow you to create a beautiful thumbnail right in your YouTube studio without any stress, just AI Gemini. So let me show you how. So I'm going to go ahead and make use of this particular video here. I'm going to use it as an example. Now, when you upload a video and you attach a thumbnail, YouTube now give you a suggested way to create a unique thumbnail if you are not satisfied with the correct thumbnail you have on your video. I think this is an incredible feature that every creator needs to explore right now, most especially if you are not a creative designer and you don't have money to spend on designing your YouTube video thumbnail. You can explore this particular feature. It is all for free. What you need to do right here, underneath of your YouTube video thumbnail, you're going to have this suggested right here. So go ahead and click on Get Suggestions, and it's going to load to the sidebar right here. So just like so, you can see the response right here, and then boom, you have first thumbnail right here. Okay, now if you scroll down right here, you have another thumbnail right here. Then you scroll down, you have another thumbnail right here. I think this one look cool, just like what you see right here, SD card transfer. You scroll, and then we have about 3 different options right here. Now, how can you use any of this thumbnail right here? You can simply hit on download right here. Then go ahead and simply download it. Once you download it, just download any one you like. Once you download it, then you will simply come to your thumbnail right here. Then go ahead and click on change. Then go ahead and select the one you download. Then go ahead and select on it and click on open. Then I'm going to simply close this tab right here. Then here we go. So I'm going to simply go ahead and click on save right here. It's that simple. Let me know what you think about these particular features in the comment section down below. And for more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.